and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically get Slack alerts when you're going to receive a new lead in your 99 acres account. So basically here to automate the entire process, I'm going to connect my 99 acres account with my Slack channel using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, then click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before we move forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then here for the workflow builder, you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says get real estate leads on Slack instantly. And for the folder, we're going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through 99 acres. So I'm going to select my trigger as 99 acres and my app event as new leads. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my 99 acres with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres. Your integration will be activated by 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So basically you need to copy this webhook URL and you need to send this URL to the backend team of your 99 acres account. Once they're going to set up the URL, then instantly you're going to receive all your 99 acres lead inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so for now I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive a dummy lead details over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the type of property, name, email and the phone number. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through 99 acres, then instantly I want to alert my team about the same on our Slack channel like this. So for that we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Slack. Then for the app event, we are going to select send channel message, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Slack account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Slack. Then here to connect the application, is asking for the token type. So it says enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. So here to find out your token type, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink link available over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see the entire steps to how to get the token type. For now, I'm going to select my token type as user only, and then you're going to click on the save. And here you can see Slack is asking for the permission, so I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the channel ID. So as you all know that I already have a channel with the name sales team. So I'm going to select that over here. And then here's asking for the message. So here I'm going to add the message that I want to send as an alert message to my team on my Slack channel whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my 99 acres. So let me add a message over here. Alright, so I've successfully added a message where it says new real estate inquiry, name, phone number, email interested in. Please follow up as soon as possible. So basically these are the variables, and here I'm going to add their values. So now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our 99 acres, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the name, we are going to map our lead's name. Here we're going to map the phone number. Here we're going to map the email address, and lastly we're going to map the type of property. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the message. Let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave all of them blank. Then it says auto expand links. For that we're going to select true. Link usernames and channel names true. For the reply broadcast we're going to select false, and here this thread message ID is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank. Now after entering all the required detail, we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received an instant response. That means we have successfully posted a new message on our Slack channel. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully received a new Slack alert message on our Slack channel with the same lead details. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as 99 acres and our action as Slack, so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our 99 acres, then instantly a new Slack alert for the same will be shared on our Slack channel. Alright, so these were the steps to how to get real estate leads on Slack instantly. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.